What's good, Hood Rich fam? Today we got the Hood Rich credit special offer for the ones that's been asking for the Swipe Team hoodies. Now it will be included with the new Travel Hacking Off the Swipes ebook. Y'all go tap in for the website under the description. What's good, Hood Rich fam, man? It's your boy Hood Rich Credit back again with another fucking banger, man. You feel me? Look, Hood Rich fam, today I got a very special video for y'all today. A video that I've been wanting to break down for the past 2 days, but haven't gotten to it. But we're going to talk about it today, okay? So the video topic of today is two major key points on how to maximize your business funding, okay? These two tips that I'm about to give y'all is the sauce on how to get approved for some major business funding with any institution. We talking credit unions, we talking big bank institutions, etc. Okay, so the methods that I'm going to give y'all today is bank rating, which I talked about in the past in one of my videos, okay? But I want to re-mention it because a lot of people don't really get, the simple concept of bank rating, okay? So bank rating and applying for secured pledge loans, okay? So look, y'all, this is the sauce. Bank rating is very important if you want to obtain some business funding, okay? That's right off the dome. And y'all may be sitting and, wondering, what the fuck is bank rating? I ain't never heard of this shit, right? And the reason why you never heard of it is because if you go on this YouTube platform or wherever, it's hard to come across this type of info. Nobody's talking about bank rating, right? So bank rating, what it basically is let's say you have a business bank account with a certain institution, right? A way to maximize your business funding when you're trying to apply, right, is you have to at least have a certain amount of money for at least 90 days maintaining that business bank account before you apply for that business credit card in this case, right? So let's say you want to keep 10K for 90 days, okay? That's what I recommend. If you got the bread, put up 10K, at least 5K, okay? 5K is a good bank rating, okay? There's different types of bank ratings. I'm going to put them up somewhere around the screen. These are the bank ratings that you want to follow. You want to at least have a low 5 bank rating, okay? Have that amount of money maintained in your business bank account for at least 90 days before you apply for some business funding with some institutions, okay? And yeah, man, this is like a way that you maximize the amount of business funding you can get with multiple institutions, not only one, right? If you got some bread to put up, like I say, if you got that bread to put it up in the business bank accounts, right? Line up your business bank accounts. The ones like, let's say you want to apply for certain institutions that pull TransUnion, okay? Line them up. Have deposits going in, have that bank rating maintained, have that money maintained for 90 days in that bank account, that business bank account, build that relationship with them. But that institution pulls TransUnion, I'll get another one that pulls Experian and, Equifax. You get what I'm saying? This is how you run the play. You get what I'm saying? Having money maintained for a certain amount of time, 3 months, 90 days. It's very simple, y'all. So this is for the people out there. If y'all got a little money to play with, build that relationship, okay? They got to see what type of client you are before you apply for some funding. This is how you maximize your amount of credit funding, okay? And your limit's going to be higher. You get what I'm saying? But if you're trying to come up right off the bat, trying to get some funding with an institution, who knows? You possibly can get approved, right? You get what I'm saying? If your credit profile is good and you personal guarantee, you're going to get approved most likely, right? But the limits are not going to be as higher. You get what I'm saying? So that 3 months, trust me, it's worth the wait, okay? You get what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's one little simple tip that I wanted to give y'all that not many people talk about. Bank rating. Hold on. Damn, my shit about to die. Bank rating, okay? Bank rating is very important. And the second one that I wanted to talk about is applying for little products like secured loans, right? Like pledge loans, like with Navy Fed. Y'all know how Navy Fed has a pledge loan. There's institutions out here, especially credit unions, that offer some secure pledge loans, man. Get them little pledge loans. You become your own bank when you use those pledge loans, right? You having that trade line reported to your credit report. Okay, you got to put up some collateral, but they'll report it to your credit report, right? That credit line. You get what I'm saying? So where other institutions see that secure pledge loan, right? Let's say you paid it down with a certain amount of money because you using your own money. Think about it, right? Not many people know about pledge loans. Like for example, in this case, Navy Fed, I always tell y'all pay down a certain amount, 90%, just so when it reports your debt to income ratio is low and it looks good that you have almost, the pledge loan paid off. You get what I'm saying? And not having a high balance when it reports. But you become your own bank at that point. You get what I'm saying? You got your own trade line at that point, and it looks good to these lenders. If you got more money to play with, you got to hire, pledge loan or a secure loan reporting to your credit report paid off. You get almost close to paid off. If you paid it off 80 to 90%, which that's what I recommend, right? So your debt to income ratio won't be so high. You get what I'm saying? But that's not the point. The point is you building the relationship. This all leads back to you building that relationship with that institution, okay? And hopefully y'all, following with me. You get what I'm saying? I don't want y'all to be confused, but yeah, it all leads back to you building that relationship. You get what I'm saying? You got to build that relationship. That is the most important thing when you're trying to get some business funding. If you don't got that relationship built, there's certain institutions that get all stingy and don't want to extend funding to you. Good examples, US Bank. US Bank got some good business credit cards, right? But they very conservative. You get what I'm saying? They very relationship bank. And if you don't build that relationship, most likely you won't get approved. That's why I don't really fuck with US Bank like that. Cause I don't got time to, wait and build that relationship type shit. I'm trying to get funded ASAP. But you have to do it. I can't cap. You have to build that relationship. You get what I'm saying? So with a secure pledge loan, you get what I'm saying? You building that relationship. Apply for them, right? Apply for that little secure pledge loan. DCU has a good one. DCU gives out some major funding. Y'all go check them out. DCU Credit Union. They got some major funding. Like, you could bust some major plays with all these institutions, but you just have to build that relationship, okay? But yeah, check out DCU. DCU is a very good credit union that I follow with. So those are the two major tips that I wanted to break down in this video, Hood Rich fam. Hopefully y'all following me and didn't get confused, man. I was a little stirrish in this video, but fuck it, we human. You get what I'm saying? But hopefully y'all understood what I was trying to say in this video. Y'all have a good day the Hood Rich way. Gone.